Hello everybody, this is Maximus McCullough with A1WebsitePro.com, and today we're going to be talking about Amazon affiliate marketing. Now you'll notice if you're on my website, MaximusMcCullough.com, if you click on this Amazon gift card, I'm going to open it in a new tab. You'll notice it'll take you to where you can purchase an Amazon gift card from Amazon. Okay, and if anybody purchases that, I will get a kickback from it, right? And the same true of these little things that I'm embedding into my website, these songs, these MP3s, like there's this Coming Undone. Say somebody comes to my website, clicks on this, and then they buy the song, well then we'll get a kickback from it. Now, there's other ways. Now you have to have a website to become an Amazon affiliate. Okay, so if you need a website, go to A1WebsitePro.com, get one rocking and rolling from there. But this is for people that already have the website, but they're looking to make some money with their website. Now the great thing about Amazon too is that there's different things that you can do to generate cash without having to embed it on your website, and that's these little share buttons right here. So we can share it on Twitter, Facebook, and then if any of our friends come and they say, oh cool, you know, I like that song, I'm going to buy it, you know, if you share it on your Facebook page and they click on your Facebook page and come and buy this song, well then you'll get a kickback. Okay, same thing with your Twitter page. Okay, and then you'll be able to see your earnings summary and so on and so forth. You can also get the direct link to this page by clicking this button right here, and it'll give you, you know, if you want to embed an iframe, you just highlight this HTML, right-click, copy it, and then put it into your website. And then you could style this information here. You can make your title a different color if you like. You know, you'll notice the different things changing. You could use a text only. You know, and then you could change the name of this text, you know, great song, and then just come down here and highlight that, and or you could just use an image only, okay? And every time somebody clicks on this stuff and comes and buy it, as long as they purchase within 24 hours, you will get a kickback from this, okay? Okay, now just the important thing to be sure of is that you're logged into your Amazon Associates account whenever you're going in here and you're using this bar across the top, okay? So now these widgets, this A store, I already explained what the share buttons are. Here's your earnings summary, what's new, discussion boards. Then here's the different settings you can have, you know, to turn this different features on and off. But the main link here is right up here where it says Amazon Associates. If you click on that link, okay, you're going to have to enter your tax information, stuff like that, in order to get paid. So if you have that information there, you can do that. But you have all these same things, the links and banners, widgets, the A store. It looks like they have something new called the Publisher Studio, product advertising API, and affiliate programs, and then your reports, okay? So links and banners we kind of went over already. See, the one thing that I like about being on Amazon is, like, if I'm on Amazon.com and I'm logged into my affiliate account, anything that I'm looking for, let's say that I'm looking for, let's see, Bob Seger, Turn the Page. Okay, great old song, Bob Seger. And I want to share this with my Facebook people or whatever. So his greatest hits, I could go, I could click on this right here, right? And right away I could go ahead and share that on my Facebook and Twitter. You know, if I wanted to put it in my website, I just click the link to this page like I illustrated before and go down and get that. So that's pretty easy. Now, some people wonder what these widgets are. Well, these widgets, let me show you. If you click on Add to Widget, I already have a widget started with the song from Korn, the Coming Undone song. And so I'm going to go right here. I could create a new widget, you know, call it My Favorites. I can even do a slideshow, you know, where these different things that I add to this widget, you know, or I can update an existing widget, you know, called My Favorites. And here you see that I got several different songs that I had put into this widget, and you know, My Favorite 001. I could put some comments in there, you know, and then update preview. Okay, and so we could see how, you know, this could be very effective thing to put, save and get this code, and then maybe put it in the sidebar of your website or something like that. Let's see here. All right, so here's my script. So I'd take all this script and, copy it all and then put it into the sidebar of my website. So that's what widgets do for you. Now, this doesn't have to be songs. It could be anything. And then as you're floating around, maybe, let's see, what's another good old song? Can't even think. And there's Sandman by Metallica. Okay, so I go right here and I see there's the Metallica album right here, and maybe I want to add that to my widget. So I could just click Add to Widget. Sometimes it'll take a minute. And then what I want to do is I want to update an existing widget. My favorite's 101. Okay, and as we scroll through here, we see that Metallica is now added, and then I can save and get that code, and then once again put that into my website. And like I said, it doesn't have to be songs, it could be products or anything. Now let's talk about this A store. So I'm going to go back to my Amazon Associates, and what I'm going to do is click on A store here. Now you can see that I have two A stores. Okay, already these are my affiliate marketing networking stores with an Amazon. And let me click on one of these just to show you what it looks like. You can see here I have a little store, has Coming Undone, Disturbed, has those steak knives that I added earlier. Okay, and then there's similar items and so on and so forth. But let's go ahead and add an A store so I can walk you through the process. And let's add a new tracking ID. And we'll call this Demo for Video, just like that. And then click Search, make sure that's available, and you can see that it's available. And then click Continue. Alright. Now here we go. These are, we could drag and drop categories or change categories. Here's the settings. We could hide the category navigation, enable mature content screening, or enable link back to my site in the navigation. So let's go ahead and tick that. And we'll call this name, let's just call it Maximus McCullough.com. Alright, and then we'll go like that, and then we'll call Maximus McCullough. That way, if this, when they click on the A store and it takes them out of your website, you can direct them back to your website by using this, and we can enable an about page. Hi there, I am a dad. Maybe something like that. All right, and then so we have that as our settings. Now we want to add a category page. So let's go ahead and add a category. We'll call this music. Okay. We can add individual products, add products by category, or listomania list. Okay. So first of all, let's add an individual product. So let's go ahead and add a product, and here's where we can search products. So let's look for something that I've listened to, I guess. Bad Moon Rising by Creedence Clearwater Revival. So we just click that, click Go, just like that. And Amazon will bring up these different products that they have. You see that we have the video, we have apparel and accessories, so on and so forth. But what I really want to see is the song Bad Moon Rising, because it's in my music category. So I'm just going to click Add, just like that, and you can see that it's added in my music category. Okay, maybe I want another one. Let's see, Superstition, just like that. I'll click Go, and speak of S-T-E-V. I think it's Stevie Wonder, so I'll just put Stevie in there. Stevie Wonder. Okay, we see we have shirts. There's Stevie Ray Vaughan and books. Okay, here we go. Superstition, single version. So I'll go ahead and add that in there. All right, so now if we want to look at see how our A store is shaping up, we just click A store like that, and we see this demo for video. So let's go ahead and take a look at that and see how it looks. And we see that we have these two products in here that we added. Now we can see that there's similar items, you know, that Amazon automatically generates. And then this is what each person has depending on their own Amazon account. If they have a wish list, you can see these are different things that are on the wish list. But now, since it's on their wish list, if they come to your A store and they click on one of that and buy it, you'll get a kickback. Now you'll notice here's the little link to my website, MaximusMcCullough.com, and this is the category, music. All right, so let's go back to our A store, and let's click edit one more time. And maybe we want another category. So let's go ahead and add another category, and we'll call this clothing or something like that, apparel. And maybe we will add a product Amazon category. So we're going to go ahead and select the category. We'll call it apparel and accessories. And we'll go ahead, maybe we'll target novelty and special use, and then maybe include the subcategories from this category. Okay, and then we can separate by keywords if we want to, but we're just going to save them all just like that. Okay, and so now we have an apparel, and with all those categories underneath there. Okay, and we'll put wear this stuff just as our description, and we can have over 1,000 characters in there if we want to. Okay, so our changes have been saved. Now, what I like to do, you can preview the store here. And now, as we look at this now, where music is our main category, but if we click on clothing, we see that, okay, here we have lots of categories. And you notice right here, my associate store, shopping cart, you know, MaximusMcCullough.com, and about us. You know, if we click on any of those things, you know, it says, hi there, I'm a dad. Okay? And we could go back to my associate store. So it keeps the people, you know, within this store. So, and you can embed this with an iframe into your website as well. All right, so let's see here. How one of the things that you can do is you can you know, style the color and the design, and then you can have different sidebar widgets and get the link. So let's just go ahead and click continue down here to go to the next step. And you have different themes. You could just select a theme and it'll change, you know, according to, you know, what you select. And then you could customize these colors by, you know, you could select these different colors just like this. Let me see here. Click black and then select OK. You can see you have a different, you can go ahead and style it any way that you want. Okay? And we could call this Max's Music Store or whatever. Okay? You can show the store header, or you can not show the store header. You can change the font size. We'll go ahead and just go ahead and change it. And you could actually include a logo. And so if we go to A1 Website Pro, let's go to A1 Website Pro just like this here. And I'm going to right click on the Google Chrome. I'm going to copy the image URL. Okay. Let me go back to where I was editing it. And then I can just paste that right in there. Now let me preview the store. I'll click on this tab. You notice there's my little logo up there, Max's Music Store. Okay. So let's go ahead and we're going to go on to the next one, which is sidebar widgets. Okay, so let's go ahead and click continue. All right. Now we have these different sidebar widgets that we can choose from. We can add them like this, you know, which is, you know, similar items. This is the person's wish list. This is similar items, and so on and so forth. If you want to go into your options, you can. You can use your visitor's wish list or specify wish list, but it's probably nicer to use your visitor's wish list because these are the people that added these things, and you have more of a chance of getting a kickback. Okay, you can add your Amazon wish list to the product detail page, to the search results page, similar items, and your Amazon wish list just like that. Okay, And then you can always just continue to preview the store, and it'll update the store for you right here, and we can see what's going on here. All right, so not bad, a little store. And you know, as we browse these different categories, you know, it'll change, but it'll keep them within our store. So it's a great way to, you know, create a store and make money off of affiliate links, and then you never even have to ship an item, okay, if you just have a great website. So we go right here, and we have some different options here. You can just link to this. If you link to this demo for video, the URL that we created, you know, and take them outside your website, you can. Or you can embed your store using an inline frame, and they'll just give you this little code right here that you put into your website. Or you can embed your store using a frame set, okay? And that's another way that you can put your store into your website, but I just recommend using my store as an inline frame, okay? Just like that. Then if you ever want to view your store, you can like that. But that's how you add products. And don't forget, like if you're on Amazon.com, and let me just go here to Amazon.com, and you're looking for these different items, and you think to yourself, boy, that would be a nice one. So let me think of another song. I'll put Freebird, okay, by Leonard Skinner. I'll just put Leonard right there. Excuse me. Here's the audio CD, but excuse me, I'm going to go ahead and click this one for MP3. And look, I could add this instantaneously to my A store where, you know, it was that music, you know, the demo add to this store. Okay? And then I want to make sure that I click the music and then click continue. And it'll just add Freebird. Notice it still has the Bad Moon Rising, you know. So as you're in your Amazon and you want to continue to add things to your store and update them, you know, possibly update them on your website, you'll be able to do that. And it'll dynamically update. You won't need to go to your website and do anything else once you embed that, that code into your website. So I hope that this has been an informative tutorial and helped you guys how you can make a little bit of money using Amazon Associates. And if you have any questions or anything like that, don't hesitate to contact me. This is Max with A1 Website Pro. Thanks for watching.